G from SoCal Tint Shop here in Riverside, California, and today we're gonna be tinting a brand new 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper. We'll be doing a 55, which is considered light, in top of the line XR Plus. We'll be doing all the sights in the back. We'll put a 20% in XR Plus. So we wanted to get a sort of say uniform look. So he decided to go 20 for driver passenger, everything in the rear, back doors, little quarter windows, and a back window in 55 XR Plus to even out. So we already kind of, as you can see, we already started. We open partially panels. Be preparing for install. So basically the speaker comes out, same as on the older version Model Ys. So we have enough room to feed the film so it doesn't create a peel or anything. It's easy, so we don't force film inside. Here when it comes from windshield, basically this pops out. Then we remove sides so it doesn't get wet or anything. Even I know you guys, even if you tape it, the water runs everywhere. So we're gonna tuck it in, it's like full towels, soak shield ropes, and we're gonna tape it, everything similar. I would say this is like a Model 3. I would say as far as like removing it parts and putting it back. And sunroof looks a little bit different from previous model. Has a little bit different shape. As you can see in the back, it has a little bit curves, and but it's very, very similar. When it comes to back doors, same thing. We open partially top, so it makes a room to slide the film in, so it doesn't get snugged. So everything goes. Our goal is to pass that weather strip that it holds between the glass and that trim, so it doesn't really get tight. We want film to easily just slide it in. Quarter window is all the same. When it comes to a back window, I would say very similar. Same as the Model Ys. On the previous model, that trim comes off. Basically, it's all clips. As you can see this time, compared to the previous models, is all fabric. So you don't want to tape it because everything, as you know, it runs through the tape water. It's still not guaranteed that it's going to be soaked or anything. What I do is to cover these, right? So personally, I like covering with scraps from my paint protection. When we do, we cover everything here. This one has a lot more compared to a previous model. So we're gonna be covering this area, this, so make sure none of the electronics gets wet. I'm applying the back window is already everything prepped, taped. So basically all I'm doing is applying. You can see we tape all this electronics. So when you install, nothing would get, not even a single drop in electronics. You can see Xpel has its own software where we get all the digital cuts, binder, start from the top, slide it in to make sure there's no gaps, anything like that. I'm using my best tool. You look all around to make sure you have no gaps, anything like that. And that's it. Now all we gotta do, just squeegee. You lock the film. again, guys, this is 55 over factory, which is considered super light. Customer requested just for the heat rejection. And this is top of the line XR Plus. As you can see, probably in the video, it's very hard to tell because it's Xpel do make films that's clear. This is tops. Alright, we're drying all the edges, make sure everything is sealed nicely. And again, as you can see, I'm taking all the clear bar, all these parts, not even a drop. But you guys should be aware of this. This is all the cameras, antennas in this module. So be aware of that. Collect all the water so nothing goes back in the film. Extended pattern, so that way we have enough to shape the edges. We're going to show in a second. Bottom first, we're going to feed it. As you can see, there's a lot of left. I'm going to take all the extras and we're going to shave it. Take all the moisture out. I normally run first just light to make sure everything. So now I take a blade and I take all the extras. See, now we're gonna wait a few minutes, about to shave. So we're gonna pile it all the way to the edge.